In this video, we'll show you how to install UFP Edge Timeless Nickel Gap Shiplap. If you're installing on top of plaster or hardboard, make sure the wall is in moderately good condition before beginning. After buying your material, allow the wood to acclimate for several days prior to installation in the room it will be installed in. Locate and mark your studs. Begin installing shiplap boards from the bottom of the wall. Apply a bead of construction adhesive to the back of a board. Place the board on the wall as shown, with the flange on top. Drive 2-inch trim nails into the flange at each stud. You can use a pneumatic nailer to get the job done faster. To add the next row, fit the flange into the groove of the new board and nail the top flange into the stud. The interlocking profile allows the boards to fit snugly together and reduces the number of fasteners required. Make sure that your boards always meet on a stud. You may have to cut boards to length. Stagger your seams as you make your way towards the ceiling. The final row will likely have to be cut lengthwise in order to fit. Measure the gap in several places in case the ceiling isn't perfectly level. Then cut the board with a table saw or circular saw. If you're installing a vertical orientation, begin by installing full-length furring strips every 24 inches. Then, install the shiplap boards the same way, starting on one side, staggering seams, and cutting the final board for a custom fit. Trim boards can be installed before or after the shiplap. Use the same construction adhesive on the back of the board, then drive trim nails through the face. To clean your wall, apply mild soap and water to a smooth cloth and wipe surface. For more information and inspiration, visit ufpedge.com/timeless.